Hi everyone, just jumping into Ethereum. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel. Everything you do, sharing is caring. Really do appreciate all your support across CoinsKid, and you've helped it grow into a really successful channel, and that's great. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all the Patreons. Thank you for being a member of the Telegram group there as well over at CoinsKid. So, and most importantly, thank you for the admin team running the Telegram group. It's amazing. Thank you for your continued support there. So right now, diving into Ethereum, then you can see that it's basically got the reversal we're anticipating. Okay, so we've got this WW bottom pattern on the go here, that we're anticipating this reversal pattern. We are anticipating this reversal pattern on a lot of cryptos, to be honest with you. You can see that Ethereum broke down. Obviously, you're aware of that. It got that double M top pattern, which was carried out, and the short opportunity there, which we capitalized on as well in the channel there for Ethereum. So basically, I'll just run through it with you again. You've got the double M top pattern. It broke support, and then you could effectively, you set a short in there, and the short was carried out. And it's carried on capitulating there. We're not necessarily capitulating, just correcting, because obviously it's followed suit with Bitcoin. But as it's fallen down, it's formed a lovely double bottom here, okay? And you can see that it's actually come back up on this previous level of resistance, broke through it, back tested their support, confirmation that it is reversed, and now it's marching on to our target up here at 2510 for Ethereum. So that's good. It's golden. Fantastic trading there from that position where it broke out. That's a nice 10% trade there on Ethereum, so it's all good. So what next when we get to there? Okay, we do need to take out that level, that previous high there, because I do think that when we do get there, we will run into a bit of resistance. As you know, resistance is futile, and basically you do need to see yourself take out that resistance, because if you do, you're going to get to a price prediction that we laid out many moons ago for Ethereum up there at 2746, roughly that sort of area anyway. So it's good for Ethereum. I just wanted to bring you this update that we're looking good for Ethereum. It's looking golden. In my opinion, Ethereum is the king alt, okay? Whatever Ethereum does, you need to pay attention to. Definitely pay attention to. Right now, we're gonna dive into what we're gonna do is drop this level of support in right now. We can't afford to lose that level of support, because if we lose that, then you're invalidating this reversal pattern that we've got going on. And obviously, we've got this high here, which is not the all-time high. That's the target of this reversal pattern. But what we'll do, I would anticipate that you do hit a level of resistance right there. So do keep an eye on that target, but we do need to see it smash that and the all-time high up there, as you know about, because if it does that, then you're going to march on to that particular price prediction up there we've got for Ethereum. So from here right now up to that particular target, that's another 13% long opportunity there for Ethereum to get up to that high. So that's Ethereum versus USDT. We've got a nice bit of volume coming in as well on that breakout, which is what you want to see. You want to see volume, a confirmation on the breakout. So that's good. That's golden. So right now, we're going to jump on to Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you can see it's marching on, and basically all our targets are being met, and some here, okay, in the channel that we outlined many moons ago for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So effectively what we've got going on here, we started to fall down when Bitcoin was having its bull run, okay, when it's making them highs. Bitcoin was running the show. Ethereum was breaking down, as was most alts against Bitcoin, to be honest with you, and it fell down in this falling wedge. We got this breakout here and started to go up, but we got rejected, hit a level of resistance, and started to fall back down in this other falling wedge. But as targeted, once we broke out there, if you remember in the videos in the earlier days, we broke out, and what we did, we fell back down. We were back testing this critical level as support, no longer resistance. Do you see that? And what we did, we fell down a little bit more to that base, that previous low there. Do you see that? We were targeting the channel as well, and we said you get a bounce there, and lo and behold, we got the bounce, and now Ethereum is absolutely marching on. It's retraced back up to this falling wedge, because that's what it does. When it falls down a falling wedge, it always comes back up. When it breaks out, it always come back up to where it was formed, and obviously it's come up there and it's found a level of consolidation on that zone there. So what's happened is now it's gone up again, consolidated, took another leg up, consolidated, and now it's marching on again. So our price targets, our price predictions for Ethereum versus Bitcoin have all been met, basically, bar this one, because this is the larger falling wedge. It is on its way there. You can see it's on its way, and I would expect that when it gets there, I would expect a level of consolidation, just like it does here when it got to this top of the falling wedge, where it got in and it consolidated in that range for a little bit. Okay, do you see that? So I would anticipate that for Ethereum versus Bitcoin to go up there and sort of get rejected at that all-time high versus Bitcoin and start to come back on itself and toy with getting through it. But then once it gets through it, it'll backtest it as support, and that's golden, okay, because that means it can actually continue and make those new highs versus Bitcoin. So that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That particular trade right there, from that breakout of that wedge where we did break out back to support and start to march on from this local bottom here. Do you see this? We had this target in here. That was a whopping trade right there of around 54% versus Bitcoin. So it's all good. It's all good, and congratulations to all of those of you that took that particular trade on in the early days of this video channel here for CoinsKid. I've not done an update on Ethereum versus Bitcoin for a very long time, but that was an old trade from back in the day. So it's all good. It's all good. It's golden for continuation. So right now, yeah, Ethereum's stealing the show, and it's running the alts, and whatever Ethereum does, that's what we need to pay attention to, because it is the king alt, I'm afraid. Binance Coin BNB is obviously doing really well, but Ethereum is the king alt. Whatever Ethereum does, you will see a lot of the alts doing there. So onwards and upwards, hopefully. But right now you can see fantastic against Bitcoin, making strides and gaining some of those sats back. But for Ethereum versus USDT, obviously for those that you're trading USD, which is primary sort of 90% of the entire market here in crypto is trading against USDT or USD or your native currency. It's the same thing, okay? You can see that we're potentially coming up upon this previous high as a level of resistance right now. So do target that pullback and a rejection there, and possibly a slight consolidation like this before we do approach it again, and then obviously move up to our target up there at $2,700 for Ethereum. So far so good. Thank you for your continued support. I will keep you updated with what's happening with Ethereum as best as I can, but obviously you can see that the channel has absolutely exploded here. So it's all good. It's all good. Stay strong, stay safe, and most importantly, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in another Ethereum update. Bye bye, everyone.